All right, so Coco number one.
Bang on.
111. All right, so people are very shameless these days. Not be joke. People they devise different means how to thief. different means. That's how they move things, they thief things, they acquire what will not be their own. Now this guy, but the guy is sharp. He's sharp because you know how they take cause distraction for person head. And now one of the ways people think they move things most times. This guy now carry one small girl. Now in Pekin, in little daughter, they go supermarket. Hungry, they catch papa and Pekin. They can say, okay, nothing go happen now. Based on say people can like you well. And again, small, how would you get big self? Okay, they not put the age for you. Carry the small girl, say, okay, this nothing go happen. Once you don't enter inside supermarket, I all put you for everybody if they see you. But I just like, kuchi. You can just laugh. People the way they around, you all talk, say, man, we love this girl. Once they look you, I will remove things. Now it finally happen, no. But where CCTV camera come, they catch the whole thing. They still find the man till now. They find the man. That's also anybody will see the guy. Maybe they send you for come meet and say, see this bad guy.
God, they spoil that Pekin.
My brother, that kicking out from small age. Don't they learn how to move full shop. Yeah? You don't learn how to move. If they get too small, say maybe she can't wear me like things like that. Like diaper, for example. You got the shocking thing inside the diaper. Where you know go fit go search. You understand? But now very bad way to speaking be that. Very bad way. But the guy will not say as they be that everybody go always get okay, they say move one correct phone and some other things them come up for inside the shop. We go phones and some kind of things. That means not be hungry carry you.
Not be hungry carry.
Now yours
na tech.
one of those guys with tech things can quick sweet. You understand? But anyway, to thief na bad thing, no go involve yourself. I beg, try do make your hustle pay. Last. All right? Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the koko.
Okay, so this one now na football fanatic. And man, shocking thing. Which one I talk yesterday? Person go kill himself.
Person go kill himself.
Yesterday, I get with Jesus. I talk yesterday. So a person go by himself. One girl we go talk say, he be like say, easy bit na so. Your favorite actor died. Your favorite actor died. They go by himself because your favorite actor, die on top. The easy bit. Now your opportunity to do that thing you want to do. Because when I don't put that for your face again, now your opportunity now to do that thing because he did on me now.
Okay.
So now for this whole thing, this particular guy decided to go kill himself because for this France, he put in bet on top France to win Euro 2016. Last France no win. Okay. So now because of the gbese where the guy don't acquire, plenty gbese, he borrow money just to go do betting. Last, the team we can't go vote for, team now no can win. So that means the guy the everlasting gbese now be that now. And the guy all look say, come, what I go do? He just can go where train they pass, so just stand for front of the train. Before train go match break, then match the guy. Kill. I need write notes keep. Say, thank you and forgive me. They always write notes keep.
Who said?
That yesterday guy write notes keep.
Write note keep.
Today on now, the guy still write notes keep. Thank you and forgive me. But I beg, first things first. If you know if you handle bet, no go dey bet. Means I just make people no bet. You understand? But if you know if you handle, no go try am. Second, you no go dey borrow just to go satisfy your want. No go dey borrow to go dey satisfy your lunch throat. You know understand? Some people now just to borrow just to make sure say man they meet up to societal standard. Some people go borrow motor, borrow boxers, borrow everything, borrow witchcraft. Our ladies they go borrow hair. Are you using your human hair? You're not using it. Please give me. Okay, you're Brazilian. Okay. They borrow every. I see some they borrow bra.
No, friends they don't try.
So yes,
don't move on.
They don't move on now. Say wow. But please, and lastly, suicide is never the way out.
At all.
You understand?
At all.
I take God beg anybody who they go through one thing or the other, where they depress you. No go for suicide is not the way out. I beg, try get counseling. Walk around, people never go fit help you, go fit talk to you. You understand? But before you go reach that kind of level, and you safe, they make sure say all your moves the way they make now with sense.
With sense.
Go they bet, they borrow to bet, they borrow to bet, they borrow to bet. And you know your thing say betting now 50-50.
50-50. If
You understand? What if you can't go mess up last nothing no can be? And as they talk now, some men they play Baba Jebu. They don't use their children's school fees.
Bet Nigeria.
Go bet every. Please use brain because no go turn all this into become bad habits. All right. So koko number 3.
I'm in love with the koko.
All right. So this one still based on money matter. Money matter. This one a pastor now. The way things say they happen now for this country. Even the things that way before, we know the years say pastors and they do, but now they do everything. We can't the one that come. So who be the pastor? Who be the sheep? Who can't be the shepherd? Who I know you're two different sheep. Because God bless you, one person just stand for podium. Meanwhile, all of them are the same thing. You know understand? You know if you to differentiate some pastors now from members, because you go see some pastors that when they roll, they are balling and not be here. They say, man, we got to come on, man. You understand? We got to roll. They say, you want to see some with bling bling? Well, I don't feel judge you. I don't know because now God might be the hand. Like God might be fine for the whole thing. But some things, they get something to your part. You don't say, this thing, the guy it be.
You know, plumb.
You know, understand? So this pastor with Christ Apostolic Church, Oga Shegun Adeyinka, na be the man name. He just waka go court say, what's happen? He say, I want to dissolve my 22 years old marriage. Oga, what's happen? He said, why be disgrace am for public? How? He said, she don't let disgrace because of money. Because of money. So every time you tell the woman, say, money not there. She knows I'm a pastor. And no beside they hustle for her side. And this is my pastoral work. Now church members, they always, they settle me, they take care of me based on who I based on pastoral things. They carry food, give 22 years marriage. You must say, I want to dissolve it and not do again. See this woman? And they call this woman, Madam, what do you think about the situation? The man say, Mona no let her make you divorce me. I beg. The man say, no lie. She dey disgrace me for outside. We all there for outside. She go talk to me anyhow. For front of people, then for church, no one see me stand with anybody. They talk. Now the woman come dey beg, say, I beg, may I not dissolve the marriage. Say, as it be like this now, say she wants to deal with the man. Say, I beg. May they tell the man, say, you cannot come and divorce me. But last, onto the whole level, the man say, come the packing things come up for the house, small, till you move all in things come up for the house. And now the woman I don't clear and I say, yeah, see me. But because please, some kind of things that they will not supposed to hear for outside.
Settle them inside house.
Settle some kind of things, make you all lock up. We pastor can't go court.
Everybody can't hear.
So what members now can't do, they can't get problem. You understand? So who can't know God now?
Who can't know God?
You understand? So please, I'm not in the seat to come and judge, but at the same time, make with if you be pastor, leave pastoral things for pastoral things and let God be God. You understand me? I beg, make we not just go. Because something going to make person look say, okay, so even if church they operate like this, that means wait till we can go to find for church. You understand? But still, then make we just reason them and do the right things. All right. At the same time, don't say pastor self now human being. You understand? They get their own flaws. They get their own small, bembe waka. Sometimes you are their human being, so you can. But as they be when leader and leader. You make your flaws not there for people face. Okay. You understand? If not, you can lose your flock. If you lose your members,
lose everything.
And once members don't they lose like that, the one who they talk bad. Go talk bad. The one who they add Jara join the bad way happen.
Because now everybody they look.
Before you know what they happen, things don't they be. And these days now when they hear pastors they divorce for outside there. Some men they with the reason. I'm not they mention name. Some kind of strong pastors they like say, yeah. So who can they say for the marriage now? All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I come on out on top the koko of the day. Anybody want to follow me, relate on top the whole level, just jam me on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. The first this will talk, about the shameless popsy, who they use in picking, they move things inside supermarkets based on distraction things. Let me know if you want to talk about that one. I'll be the man we kill himself because the team we in bed for no can finally win for the Euro 2016. And then lastly, this story of the pastor where one divorced in wife of 22 years. Simply because the woman, they always disgrace him and talk to him anyhow concerning money. All right? Let me know on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. And therefore, all of us will relate. We'll come back right now with my guest in the building. All right?
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.